So I got this text from a doctor and his wife, who's a business owner. Thought it was really interesting, so I was going to read it very quickly. I was thinking about your business structure and what you do, which is amazing, in all caps. I have been looking for a financial guru who can consult on taxes, insurance, financial advising, estate planning. Always wished there was one-stop shop. As you can probably tell, I have a hodgepodge of these consultants. My old financial advisor has been holding our investments, the rollover IRAs, etc. He got me set up for some insurance, but I had to look on my own for estate planning, other insurance, our CPA, etc. Is there someone who you would advise for our family? So this text came after I was at a birthday party for my 4.5-year-old, and I got talking to one of the other families that was there. Again, he's a successful doctor, and wife is a business owner. And what they were explaining is exactly what I have found wealthy clients want, which is not a hodgepodge of advisors. They don't want a single professional that can help them with one little slice of their financial landscape, right? What they actually want, what high net worth clients want, is what I call the high net worth client value proposition, which is a team of professionals that all consult together, and then they have a client relationship lead, which is the one that speaks to the client, okay? That's what I talked to him about. It took me about 1 to 2 minutes to explain our business model, and that was the follow-up text message that he sent me, okay? He said, it was an amazing business model. I've always been looking for a one-stop shop. Too many professionals try to hold themselves out there as a one-stop shop, but almost by becoming a jack of all trades, which a lot of respect for that, because it takes a tremendous amount of time and energy to feel like you're the one that's playing all these different roles or wearing all these different hats. It's much easier and always, in my opinion, always creates better results for the clients when, rather than becoming a jack of all trades, you simply work together as a team. Like, collaboration is the name of the game. Business is not singles tennis. Business is a team sport. I don't know why so many advisors, insurance agents, CPAs, attorneys treat it like one-on-one basketball. Like, I'm going to show up to the court and I'm going to beat you every time, but it's just because I've got an incredible team of professionals. If you can establish this value proposition for high net worth clients, the fact that you work in collaboration with a CPA, with an estate planning attorney, with an investment expert, with whatever your area of expertise is, you work with a team of exceptional professionals that all bring proactive and holistic advice to the table, I promise you, you're going to get a different response from prospects and clients, especially the ones that are high net worth business owners, that affluent type of space, because there's a lot of complexity, and the more complexity, the more opportunity to do good. LeBron James. What does LeBron James have to do with your investment or your insurance business? Well, actually quite a bit. Listen to this analogy. I feel like a lot of wealth managers and insurance agents think if they could just get a CPA to refer them business, or just get an attorney to refer them business, like everything else would take care of itself. At least I know I used to think that way. What I've come to appreciate is they kind of have it backwards. Even if you learn exactly what to say to a CPA, exactly how to get them excited about potentially referring business to you, if you haven't done the work first to make sure that you have your value proposition already established, your processes, the way that you communicate to clients, if you don't have all of that done first, what's going to happen is it's like recruiting LeBron James to your team. And then LeBron shows up for the game and there's a bunch of amateurs on the court. Or it's just you. It's like, hey, LeBron, you ready? 2-on-2 basketball. And he's like, I'm up here. This is the level I play at. And now I'm having to play 2-on-2 with you? Well, obviously now I'm carrying the team. So you're likely not going to win because that team's going to outplay you. But even if you do, LeBron's not going to show up for second game. That's what happens when you get an exceptional CPA. It's like recruiting LeBron James to your team, getting an exceptional CPA to agree to work with you. Likely they won't in the first place, and that's not their fault. It's not because they're deal killers. It's not because they're skeptical by nature. It's because your value proposition isn't ready for that partnership. your game's not good enough yet. Good news is you can raise your game. So first thing you need to do is get your game dialed in. Your frameworks, your processes, the way you serve clients, the different professionals that all come together. Then you go to the CPA. Now we've got an all-star team. You want me to play on that team? That's an incredible opportunity. You know why it's an incredible opportunity? Because the CPAs don't get that every day. They get the financial advisor or the insurance agent reaching out to them like, hey, can you refer me business? I've got this proprietary plan or this proprietary model, whatever it is. Like, they get that literally multiple times a week. They don't get somebody that understands exactly how to work in collaboration to serve high net worth clients. Build that first, then go to the CPA. Now all of a sudden you've created an incredible value proposition for the CPA. The two of you work together, now you've just become even more valuable to the high net worth client, okay? So you get your team, your process, your value proposition all in place, then you approach the CPA. Get out of the space of competing for high net worth clients, offering them a hodgepodge of different advisors. Even referral relationships are outdated and inefficient. Create a team of professionals, all with a like mind. Explain to the client who the client relationship lead is, what the team looks like behind the scenes. Then you will get text messages like that saying your business model is amazing in all caps and asking if they can work with you. Now, in my circumstance, I'm not actually working with individual clients anymore. We train advisors and insurance agents how to build this value proposition. So that's why this text message was saying, can you introduce me to somebody that could help my family? Of course we did. Hope you found this interesting. And if you did, give the video a like below this. Also, I recorded an additional video that talks about how to actually create this type of team, this, call it virtual family office, for your wealth management or your insurance business. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and click on that here. And I hope you found the video helpful.